Encountered NDD files left behind by Norton Disk Doctor recovery operations? These contain disk diagnostic data and recovery information. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Norton Disk Doctor files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust NDD file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. A file created by Norton Disk Doctor, NDD. A component of the legacy Norton Utilities suite for DOS and Windows. This file typically contains backup information of critical disk sectors or logs generated during a disk repair process. Users encounter these files on older systems and are usually trying to recover data. The NDD file is a proprietary binary format designed by Symantec, now NortonLifeLock. Its structure was created to securely hold a raw copy of critical file system information, such as partition tables or boot records that was being repaired. The binary nature protected this sensitive data from accidental user modification. The specific reading module for NDD files is provided by Norton Utilities from NortonLifeLock Inc. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows can't render internal backup data, making a restore utility necessary to open these files. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the NDD file and click Open With. Test Norton Utilities first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If the NDD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, opening in Norton Utilities. Install Norton Utilities or Norton SystemWorks, if available, as Symantec discontinued these products. Launch Norton Disk Doctor and use the application's open or load function to access NDD files. The utility displays disk analysis results recovery information and provides options to apply repairs or restore original data from backup snapshots. Next, modern alternatives. Norton Disk Doctor was discontinued and replaced by built-in Windows tools and modern third-party utilities. Use Windows' built-in chkdsk command for disk error checking and repair. For advanced functionality, try modern alternatives like EaseUS Partition Master or Mini-Tool Partition Wizard, which provide comprehensive disk diagnostic and repair capabilities. Finally, safe cleanup. If you encounter orphaned NDD files from old Norton installations, they can typically be deleted safely as the source software is no longer functional. Verify the files are not currently needed by any active disk recovery operations before deletion. Use disk cleanup utilities to remove orphaned diagnostic files from inactive software installations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.